Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this potato bread. Let's begin. To start on the recipe you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your bread flour along with the salt and give them a brief mix just to combine. You can then go ahead and add in the remaining ingredients, starting with the yeast, followed by the milk powder, then the shortening and butter, and then the water. That's all you need for now, and then start to mix it on a low speed to start with for around 2 minutes, followed by 6 minutes on a medium high speed until a clear dough has formed. About a minute or two before the end of your mixing time, you will want to add in the boiled potatoes which have been allowed to cool and just mix them in on a medium speed. You'll notice that the dough does change in consistency, and this is because of the moisture from the potatoes. Go ahead and then flour your work surface with some bread flour and place the dough on top of it, kneading the dough just until it's smooth and elastic. It does need a bit of kneading as it may be a bit sticky, so that flour will really help. Bring the dough into a ball shape, place into a lightly oiled bowl and cover with cling film and leave for around 60 minutes to prove. So once your dough has had its first proof, you can then go ahead and flour your work surface again with some bread flour and then place the potato dough on top of it. You will then want to knock the dough back. This is just a process of removing the gases that are built up during the first proof, bringing it back into a ball shape and then rolling it out into an elongated sausage shape, placing it into a lined loaf tin, and then just press it down so it's a bit more even. Then loosely cover with cling film and allow it to proof for around 45 minutes to an hour, depends on how warm it is where you are. Here is mine after 45 minutes. Remove the cling film and place into a preheated oven. And here is what it looks like once it's fully baked and cooled down. Then you can slice into it and enjoy. So here is what the potato bread looks like once it's fully baked, cooled and sliced. As you can tell, it's really soft and really nice. So if you like soft bread, this is the recipe for you. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again on Thursday with another video for you, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, link to my blog and all of my social media, so don't forget, while you're there, check them out. Maybe follow me on Instagram as that's where I post more frequently. But yeah, that's all for today. Bye guys.